Hello mga kabiyahe buddies, it's Saturday and today we are going to PSP or Philippine Sports Performance Gym. So it's bago lang ako doon, so I just enrolled because I was able to get a promo. So itutour ko kayo doon sa place and it is located at Tayuman Street. So yeah, tara! Then, ayun na nga guys, from bahay, sumakay ako ng jeep papuntang gym. Actually, it's only 5 minutes away. And due to traffic, minsan umaabot siya ng mga around 10 minutes. So, yun. And then finally, nakarating na din ako sa PSP gym. So, umakyat lang ako and then kumuha ako ng susi for the locker. Guys, this was the time na naka-avail ako ng promo which is 70% discount plus student promo. So, medyo malaki na din talaga yung discount ko dito. So, ayun. If you wanted to also enroll, you can visit one of the nearest PSP gym near you. Ayun. And ayun na nga, naglibot-libot muna ako and then afterwards, of course, hindi natin makakalimutan ang warm up. Of course, we need to make sure na mag-stretching muna tayo para maiwasan natin yung mga injuries at saka mga sprains. And also make sure na hydrated tayo. Always bring your tumbler with you para makainom kayo ng tubig anytime. Ayan. So, usually guys, ang routine ko pag pumunta ako ng gym is first nag-weights muna ako. And then afterwards kung may time pa, nag-cardio and then leg workout as well. Ayun. So guys, ito yung mga branch ng Philippine Sports Performance Gym. Ayan, meron silang Junior, Pro at saka yung VIP. So, itong gym na malapit sa akin is junior lang siya. So, medyo maliit siya compared doon sa VIP nila na PSP gym. Meron silang sauna at saka like mga billiards doon sa VIP na gym nila. So, mas malawak yung VIP nila na gym. Pala yung itsura ko nung nag-sign up ako sa PSP gym. Ayan sila Coach Enzo and other coaches. Going back, ayan, nagsimula na ako magbuhat-buhat and then after that, leg workout na din ako. And ayun, so nag-treadmill na din ako for cardio. And ayan, mas gusto ko talagang mag-sound trip habang nag-exercise para ganahan talaga tayo mag-exercise.
Oh my God! Wow!
After na mag-exercise, kinuha ko yung mga gamit ko na sa locker and then ito ka pala yung kanilang comfort room and meron silang CR, ayan. And then ito pala yung nila, shower. Meron silang hot and cold shower. So yeah, I decided to take a shower muna kasi pawisan na ako dyan. So nagdala na ako ng mga damit pamalit ko, ayan. So okay. Ayan, so naligo na nga ako katapos sobrang init. Yan. Sana all fresh. ang person. Ayan. So, after niyan, naglibot-libot na din ako para pahinga lang. And then, I'm thinking of kumain sa labas kasi gutom na din ako sa mga panahon na to. So, yeah. And since malapit na din ako sa SM San Lazaro, pumunta na din ako doon para kumain. Ayan, and dyan natatapos ang ating workout for today. From thrilling adventures to helpful tips and everything in between, there's something here for everyone. So hit that subscribe button and never miss out on my latest uploads. Thanks again for being an amazing supporters. Now, let's keep this journey going together and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!